Chief Minister Nongthom Biren transfers over 7 crore rupees to 1,000 beneficiaries through direct beneficiary transfer, DBT to boost sericulture sector in Manipur. And Deputy Chief Minister Yumnam Joykumar launches official website of Manipur Remote Sensing Application Center, MARSAC. Good afternoon and welcome to Impact News. You're watching Afternoon News and I'm Premi Thangjum bringing you the top stories. Chief Minister Nongthom Biren today transferred a total amount of 7 crore 41 lakh and 12,000 rupees to 1,000 beneficiaries through direct beneficiary transfer, DBT, to boost sericulture sector in the state. Another total check amount of 3 crore 77 lakh and 42,800 rupees were handed over to 300 beneficiaries without banking facility through Managing Director of Manipur State Cooperative Bank. He also distributed motorized pedal-operated spinning machines to 150 self-help groups on the occasion. Speaking at the event organized by State Sericulture Department at its multi-purpose hall in Sangai Port, Chief Minister Biren stressed on the prospects of sericulture business for boosting the state's economy. He advised the beneficiaries to form a committee including experts from the department to carry out sericulture activities successfully. He expressed happiness that corruption was curbed 10% through the DBT.
Kukun pambi hadarene. Sina chawa chahi ohum change. Chahi ohum dugi marak tu da kari saga da ge have dugi alternative ama koi government as plan tawe. Musik water state management ni makha da yen lo hele, ok lo hele, san lo hele, nganu lo hele, nga lo hele. Wahol yohol. Sumai na tawrokan da tawrogati public se phajana convince tawrogati. Sidi deforestation su save tawre adu ga khoi production su hele nungsu nungai. Maru ina singi lam da yam manga ga leire. UG gi militants aduga moigi black market kharna torkanda poppy plantation gumba from the phattabarum sin na bisi paksana thalai si mutta chi hare gadi awareness program go kona masagi habido upambi sin saudi ngai sei ohum phadri ngai gi marak si da moida alternative am pibiraba aduga once sei ohum pharga chawr ko de masana masa puthok cherdon sidi marketing gi problem su leiro sidi sigi positive lagi ngata ne.
Deputy Chief Minister Yumnam Joykumar launched the official website of Manipur Remote Sensing Application Center, MARSAC, an autonomous institution under the Department of Science and Technology today. Speaking at the event held at his office in New Secretariat, Y. Joykumar said MARSAC and Economics and Statistics Department play significant roles in bringing good governance. He asserted that the newly launched website with its geospatial technology will not only facilitate in providing important data and information to various line departments, but it will also facilitate researchers. He drew the attention of MARSAC to build a technology which will enable it to provide updated information on the website instantly. The Deputy Chief Minister stressed on the need to enhance MARSAC and Economics and Statistics Department, considering their crucial roles in the government's budgeting process.
For any project, you need data, you need information. And sigi data si aduga tasing na have why are we launching this website? See website si launch to bring it up. Nasagi high data me mama planning the kari the sangadho data me mama like specific line department na hanga candidate. If the information is data is available, we provide. Generate similar atopa nasagi research any kind of readily available data say website see the they can always enter this website and download information. This is the main reason, this is the importance of launching this website.
Paying tribute to farmers of the state, Chief Minister Nongthom Biren today sowed seeds for this year's first seed sowing season. He also disclosed that state government has applied for a scheme worth 260 crore rupees to the Center for taking up groundwater project to provide better irrigation facility to farmers in the state. Speaking at the event organized by Arabti Urub Farmers Association at Arabti Mayai Laikai, Kangchibung, Chief Minister N. Biren called for producing enough foods in the state for sustainability and to stop excessive imports as it drained the state's economy. He said government has provided loans to 800 fish farmers to increase production of fishes in the state to cater to its huge fish-consuming population. He also assured necessary help to entrepreneurs. Speaking on the occasion, Kairao MLA L. Rameshwar urged people to appreciate developmental changes seen in the state in the last 3 years. He also invited suggestions and feedbacks on various government's initiatives. Speaking at the event, Lilong MLA Mohammad Nasir opined that agriculture will flourish in the state if only one minister takes charge of the minor irrigation, agriculture and the IFCD department.
Minor irrigation guys did low level concentrate to the Mamang low later from the program. Ising later, low the Mamma Canil, Central, low later, than Pani. Takshabina later to get together. I don't know when the Canarese, low labor, Takshabina, Harmer labors are got never going to the race.
3-day training on the scope for processing and marketing of locally available spices kicked off at ICAR Lumphel today. Manipur Small Farmers Agri-Business Consortium and Krishi Vigyan Kendra, Imphal West jointly organized a program under National Institute of Agriculture Marketing, Jaipur. Joint Director of ICAR Northeast Hill Region Manipur Center, Dr. Narendra Prakash, Deputy Director, Skill and Marketing of National Institute of Agricultural Marketing, Jaipur, Dr. S.R. Singh, Principal Secretary, SID Technology of ICAR Northeast Hill Region Manipur Center, Dr. I. Meghachandra, Project Coordinator of Manipur Small Farmers Agri-Business Consortium, M.S. Kaidam, KVK Imphal West Head KH Hira, and many people attended the event. Speaking at the event, Dr. Narendra Prakash said Manipur is suitable for ginger, turmeric and king chili cultivation and many other vegetables. He lamented that farmers in the state are suffering due to lack of market linkage. Speaking on the occasion, M.S. Kaidam said lack of credit support and banking facilities to farmers of the state has hindered them in getting necessary infrastructure. He assured that the training will aid farmers in choosing proper agencies or firms for support and also help them in forming market linkage.
Organic mission on MODVR in Department of Horticulture, MIDH and NHB. So many organizations now they are working with organic. Because northeastern region is the only area where is the organic products are available in very cheap cost, but farmers are facing due to lack of marketing. Marketing is a major hindrance for our farmers. To this 3-day training program, they will provide all the information related marketing, processing and value addition, so farmers can learn this technique and they can get the information where we will sell the process.
Lana individual farmer la self-help group la organization la any thabuk toba group amada aikoina sendo yautaba sen puhan bagi scheme amasu lei masi aikoina venture capital haina khangni masi dai aikoina piriba senpham masi isana company na organization na puthoiba senpham dugi 40% adu aikoina sendo yauduna khoida puhan.
Manipur Pradesh Congress Committee has termed recent hike in price of cooking gas as anti-people move of BJP government. Speaking to media at Congress Bhavan in Imphal today, party spokesperson O. Nabikishore said it is the highest price hike in the last 6 years. He said it is high time for the government to address the issue of rising price of various essential commodities including fruits and vegetables. Responding to Impact News queries about Congress party's failure to secure even a single seat in the recently declared Delhi Assembly elections, O. Nabikishore said, People must have failed to acknowledge developmental projects taken by the party in Delhi, leading to the party's defeat.
Chai sing thong bada maroina leita lairagi imungsingda refill se leinabagi puthokra lupa chanipan yankainipan puthokwa haibase awaba mani hariba adra mase yamna anti people loiba government gi move amani ase mase congress party na oppose dawi koi reserve bank of india na thamiba inflation ge target se 4% ni hojike leiriba economy sina achieve tobungam dadana 7.59% oirakpa sida masida akteng na wari badi common man lairaba praja sing ne hariba yamna kari hani appropriate oiba candidate puthoma ba ade koina tawgadariba vision natraga ekhoi program mayam je phajana public ta communicate tawba what khibadagi aina khambada congress ki masing je khara hantarak praina khali
populist propaganda pochiam lak maming chatpa rinon person mi chama leiba kanda akhoi populist propaganda gi keno sei da chama sei da mi talak tang khangalaga mayum da chasan bi question bi tawba miam da made du chatlin tawba 90 imdi hannaga yeng da bagi pot ki individual pot che si ship amakak lak pasi akhoi na manipuri context su dum u phangi aduga delhi da su mi common people gi huji ki oiba nit sidai basis pisalak pirakpa madudasu miyamna su madudasu darkar oiba amanina madudasu miyamna accept tawgi pot ama delhi gi kaino sidasu
Seed sowing festival of Paumai community held every year at Oinam village in Senapati district concluded today. Works Minister Thongam Biswajit, PHED Minister Lucy Dikko, Manid Co-Chairman Dr. Radheshyam Yumnam and Ketrigao MLA and Indrajit attended the closing event. Minister Biswajit inaugurated a newly constructed community hall of the village on the occasion. Manipur's social and cultural activist Kangembam Priyojit is among 21 people selected by AR Foundation New Delhi from across the country to be honored with Real Hero Award 2020. The award distribution ceremony will be held at the conference hall of ITO New Delhi on February 15. Kangembam Priyojit from Tintha Kongbal in Thoubal district is the only person from the Northeast states to be selected for the award this year. And on that note, it's time for a small commercial break. After the break, we bring you news on Aam Aadmi Party claiming that over 10 lakh people have joined the party in 24 hours. We'll be right back. Keep watching Impact News. Welcome back after the break, and you're watching Afternoon News. Aam Aadmi Party AAP today said that more than 10 lakh people have joined the party in 24 hours since the party's thumping victory in Delhi Assembly election 2020 on Tuesday. It is to be noted that a nation-building campaign dubbed Aam Aadmi Party's Rashtra Nirman was launched by the party on Tuesday as the results of Delhi Assembly election started pouring in. Through its campaign, the Arvind Kejriwal-led party has been inviting Indians to join the party to develop India. The AAP registered a stunning victory in Delhi Assembly election, winning 62 out of 70 seats at stake. The Bharatiya Janata Party BJP came a distant second with only 8 seats in its kitty, while the Congress failed to open its account once again. The number of fatalities and new cases from China's coronavirus outbreak soared on Thursday with 242 more deaths and nearly 15,000 extra patients in hard-hit Hubei province as authorities changed their threshold for diagnosis. At least 1,355 people have now died nationwide and nearly 60,000 have been infected after Hubei's Health Commission reported the new numbers. In its daily update, Hubei's Health Commission confirmed another 14,840 new cases in the central province where the outbreak emerged in December. The huge jump came as local officials said they were changing the way they diagnose COVID-19 cases. In a statement, the Hubei Health Commission said it would now include cases that clinically diagnosed in its official toll. Of the dramatic jump in figures, it said the new classification counted for 13,332 of the cases and just over half the new death toll. Hubei Health Commission said the change would mean patients could get treatment as early as possible and be consistent with the classification used in other provinces. And now the sports news. Chairman of Manipur Control Board, MLA L. Radha Kishore, has appealed to cooperate in preserving the dying historic Kang sport. He was speaking on the sidelines of the inaugural function of the Radha Mandap constructed under MLA Local Area Development Fund at Kaino Thongthak Awang Laikai in Bishnupur district today. Speaking to media, MLA L. Radha Kishore said it is high time to take initiatives to preserve the indigenous Kang sport and promote it to the world. Pradhan of Kaino Gram Panchayat and many people attended the event. Thangjing and Marjing Kangkut played an exhibition Kang match on the occasion.
पृथ्वी लेरिबा जाति पुनमक से मागी मागी सक ताकपा म चांगी मदुदा अथो एहन तानबा म चांगी कॉम्पिटिशन म चांगी मसे चंगबा मतमदा सक ताकपा हाइबसिदि अखोय पृथ्वीदा अमत ngairaba कांग हाइबा मसाना से मसी योखटपा हाइबसे अखोयगी सक ताकपागी अचौबा तंजाम अखोयना फंगी मसे मुत्तनबगी दमक तोंगान तोंगानबा मणिपुरगी वांगदा लेरिबा स्टेट सिंग लोइनाना तोंगान कंट्री सिंग ता अखोयना मसीगी मसाना से सक ताकनबगी दमकता मसीबु उतनबगी दमकता अखोयगी जाति सक ताकनबगी दमकता अखोय भारिबा कांसंग से सेमनी.
East Bengal FC will lock horns with Minerva Punjab FC in a match of the ongoing Hero I-League at West Bengal's Kalyani Stadium this evening at 5. In yesterday's league match, Kerala Gokulam FC beat Chennai City FC 1-0 at Chennai's Jawaharlal Nehru Stadium. Marcus Joseph scored the lone winning goal at the 79th minute of the match. Hyderabad FC will play against Jamshedpur FC in a match of the ongoing Indian Super League ISL 2019-2020 at Hyderabad's GMC Balayogi Athletic Stadium tonight at 7:30. Goa FC defeated Mumbai City FC 5-2 in yesterday's league match played at Goa's Jawaharlal Nehru Stadium. For the winners, Ferran Corominas netted 2 goals at the 20th and 80th minute. Hugo Bomas, Jackie Chan Singh and Mohammad Rafiq scored 1 goal each at 37th, 39th and 86th minute. For the losing team, Raulin Borges and Bipin Singh scored 1 goal each at the 18th and 57th minute. Before we end, let's take a look at the headlines once again. Chief Minister Nongthong Biren transfers over 7 crore rupees to 1,000 beneficiaries through direct beneficiary transfer DBT to boost sericulture sector in Manipur. And Deputy Chief Minister Yumnam Joykumar launches official website of Manipur Remote Sensing Application Center, MARSAC.